being the boss's right-hand person. Because of their understanding of the organization's long-term goals and their dependability, accountability, and proximity to management, executive assistants, EAs, are considered to be key players in the organization. They are often referred to as the boss's right-hand person, acting as their eyes and ears and making up for gaps in their boss's knowledge and memory. Senior EAs have a lot of power in organizations, acting as gatekeepers of the executive's time and ensuring they remain accessible while staying on track with daily objectives. Additionally, they act as confidants, maintaining strict confidentiality and discretion. EAs should have excellent verbal and written communication skills and often draft written communication in the guise of their executive. It is also not uncommon for them to work antisocial hours and attend to emergencies at any time of the day. This institute provides comprehensive executive assistant training and skill-building opportunities that help participants stay at the forefront of their field. The Institute's comprehensive training program covers topics such as time, task, office management, along with how to handle difficult person, body language, and stress management, and other high-powered office tasks. The Institute also provides resources and networking opportunities to help executive assistants stay up to date with the latest trends and stay ahead in their domain.